Secrets of the African Civet, Africa's Spotted Phantom. In the shadowy undergrowth of Africa's forests and savannas, a mysterious creature moves with silent grace through the darkness. The African civet, Civetictis civetta, with its distinctive spotted coat and masked face, has earned its reputation as one of the continent's most enigmatic nocturnal inhabitants. This elusive mammal, neither cat nor dog despite its feline appearance, represents one of nature's most fascinating evolutionary experiments, a successful carnivore that has thrived across sub-Saharan Africa for millions of years. The Phantom's Portrait. The African civet presents a striking silhouette against the African night. Measuring between 67 to 84 centimeters in body length, with an additional 34 to 47 centimeters of ringed tail, this medium-sized carnivore weighs anywhere from 7 to 20 kilograms. Its most distinctive feature is undoubtedly its coat, a canvas of cream and gray adorned with bold black spots that merge into stripes along the spine and legs. This intricate pattern serves as perfect camouflage among the dappled shadows of its forest home. The civet's face bears a remarkable resemblance to a raccoon's mask, with dark fur surrounding bright, intelligent eyes that reflect light with an eerie golden glow. Large, rounded ears pivot constantly, capturing the slightest sounds in the African night. Its elongated snout houses an exceptional sense of smell, crucial for navigation and communication in its scent-driven world. Perhaps most intriguingly, the African civet possesses a unique anatomical feature that has shaped human history: specialized scent glands near its tail that produce civetone, a musky substance once more valuable than gold in the perfume trade. These glands, along with additional scent-marking apparatus throughout its body, make the civet one of Africa's most chemically communicative species. Masters of the Night. As twilight descends across the African landscape, the civet's domain comes alive. These strictly nocturnal creatures emerge from their daytime refuges in dense vegetation, hollow trees, or abandoned burrows to begin their nightly adventures. Their large eyes, adapted for low-light conditions, allow them to navigate confidently through the darkest environments where their diurnal competitors cannot venture. The African civet's hunting strategy reflects its opportunistic nature. Unlike specialized predators that focus on specific prey, civets employ a generalist approach that has contributed significantly to their evolutionary success. They move through their territory with a distinctive rolling gait, nose constantly working to detect potential meals. Their diet reads like a comprehensive menu of African wildlife: insects, small mammals, birds, eggs, reptiles, amphibians, and even fruits and roots during scarce times. This dietary flexibility allows civets to thrive in diverse habitats, from dense rainforests to open woodlands and savanna edges. They've even adapted to human-modified landscapes, though they generally avoid areas of intensive agriculture and urban development. Their ability to climb, swim, and dig makes them formidable hunters capable of exploiting food sources unavailable to more specialized carnivores. Chemical communication masters. The African civet's most remarkable adaptation lies in its sophisticated chemical communication system. These animals live in a world dominated by scent, where invisible messages convey complex information about territory, reproductive status, individual identity, and social hierarchy. The civet's anal glands produce civetone, a powerful musk that can be detected by other civets across considerable distances. This chemical messaging system operates like an intricate postal network. Civets mark prominent objects along their routes: fallen logs, rocks, tree trunks, creating scent highways that convey detailed information to other civets passing through the area. They can determine not only who left the mark but also their sex, reproductive condition, health status, and how recently they passed through. The importance of this scent-marking behavior extends beyond simple communication. It helps prevent direct confrontations between individuals by allowing them to coordinate their movements and avoid territorial disputes. In the dangerous world of the African night, where energy conservation is crucial for survival, this chemical communication system provides an efficient alternative to physical encounters. Solitary survivors. Unlike many carnivores that hunt in packs or live in family groups, African civets are predominantly solitary creatures. They maintain individual territories that can range from 2 to 15 square kilometers, depending on habitat quality and prey availability. Males typically claim larger territories that may overlap with those of several females, particularly during breeding season. This solitary lifestyle doesn't indicate antisocial behavior but rather represents an optimal survival strategy. The civet's generalist diet means that resources are widely scattered across the landscape, making group hunting inefficient. Additionally, their nocturnal habits and excellent scent communication system allow them to coordinate with neighbors without the energy costs associated with maintaining constant social bonds. During the breeding season, which typically occurs during the warmer months, civets temporarily abandon their solitary ways. Males expand their territorial patrols, following scent trails left by receptive females. Courtship involves elaborate scent-marking rituals and vocalizations that pierce the African night with haunting calls. The next generation. After a gestation period of approximately 72 days, female civets give birth to litters of 1 to 4 young in secure dens hidden deep within dense vegetation. The newborns arrive blind and helpless, completely dependent on their mother's care. Their spotted pattern is visible from birth, though initially faint compared to adult coloration. For the first several weeks of life, the young remain hidden in the natal den while their mother ventures out nightly to hunt. She returns regularly to nurse and groom her offspring, gradually introducing them to solid food as they develop. By 6 to 8 weeks old, the young civets begin accompanying their mother on short foraging expeditions, learning essential survival skills through observation and practice. The education of a young civet is comprehensive and crucial for survival. They must master not only hunting techniques for diverse prey types but also the complex scent communication system that governs civet society. Young civets spend months perfecting their scent-marking behaviors, learning to interpret the chemical messages left by other civets, and establishing their own territorial boundaries. Ecological architects. The African civet's role in ecosystem function extends far beyond its position as a mid-level predator. These animals serve as crucial seed dispersers throughout their range, consuming fruits during seasonal abundance and depositing seeds across the landscape through their feces. Many African plant species depend on civets and other small carnivores for seed dispersal, particularly in forest environments where they help maintain plant diversity. Their predation pressure on small mammals, insects, and other invertebrates helps regulate prey populations and maintain ecological balance. Civets also serve as prey for larger predators, including leopards, lions, and large pythons, linking different trophic levels in African food webs. Perhaps most significantly, civets act as natural pest controllers in areas adjacent to human settlements. Their consumption of rodents, insects, and other potential crop pests provides valuable ecosystem services, though this contribution often goes unrecognized by human communities. Challenges in the modern world. Despite their adaptability, African civets face mounting challenges in an increasingly human-dominated landscape. Habitat loss and fragmentation represent the primary threats to civet populations across their range. As forests are cleared for agriculture and human settlements expand, the dense vegetation that civets require for daytime refuges becomes increasingly scarce. The bushmeat trade poses another significant challenge. While civets are not typically targeted specifically, they often fall victim to snares set for other species. Their nocturnal habits make them particularly vulnerable to wire snares placed along forest paths, leading to painful deaths that remove breeding adults from populations. Climate change adds another layer of complexity to conservation challenges. Shifting precipitation patterns and increasing temperatures may alter the distribution of prey species in suitable habitat, forcing civets to adapt to changing conditions or face local extinctions. Conservation, protecting the phantom. Effective conservation of African civets requires a multifaceted approach that addresses both direct threats and broader ecosystem health. Protected area networks play a crucial role in maintaining viable civet populations, but these reserves must be large enough to support the species' territorial requirements and connected through wildlife corridors that allow genetic exchange between populations. Community-based conservation initiatives show particular promise for civet conservation. Education programs that highlight the ecological benefits of civets, particularly their role in pest control, can help shift local attitudes toward these misunderstood creatures. Compensation programs for farmers who maintain civet-friendly habitat on their land provide economic incentives for conservation. Research into civet ecology and behavior remains crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. Long-term monitoring programs can track population trends and identify emerging threats before they become critical. Studies of civet movement patterns and habitat preferences inform land use planning and corridor design. The future of Africa's spotted phantom. The African civet embodies the resilience and adaptability that have allowed carnivores to thrive across diverse African landscapes for millions of years. Their success as generalist predators, sophisticated communication systems, and crucial ecological roles make them keystone species in many African ecosystems. As we move forward in an era of unprecedented environmental change, the fate of the African civet will depend largely on our ability to balance human development with wildlife conservation. These remarkable creatures, with their spotted coats and mysterious nighttime habits, deserve our protection not only for their intrinsic value but also for the essential ecological services they provide. The secrets of the African civet continue to unfold as researchers develop new techniques for studying these elusive creatures. Each discovery reveals new layers of complexity in their behavior, ecology, and evolutionary history. From their ancient origins to their uncertain future, civets remind us that the natural world still holds many mysteries waiting to be explored. In preserving habitat for Africa's spotted phantom, we protect not just a single species but entire ecosystems that depend on the intricate relationships between predators, prey, and the environment they share. The African civet's continued survival serves as both a conservation success story and a reminder of our responsibility to protect the remarkable biodiversity that makes Africa one of the world's most extraordinary continents. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.